Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick and easy, light and natural makeup application. So if you'd like to see me apply this look, please stick around. I'm new to YouTube and I welcome any input, and I'm excited to be here and make some new friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I'll be learning more about this and putting up lots more content. Thank you. Hi, this is Shayna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another makeup get ready with me, again with affordable makeup products, but this one is going to be very quick and a very natural look. So first, I've already applied my moisturizer. So first I'm just going to hit it with some primer. Today I'm be using the Revitalift Miracle Blur Instant Skin Smoother from L'Oreal. Alright. And I've been using this for a while and I really like how it applies. It really makes the skin extremely smooth. Next, I'm going to be applying some concealer. This is the IT Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer from IT Cosmetics. And this is great. It's a very hydrating product, very easy to apply. I like to just put a little bit on the back of my hand to warm it up a little bit. And then this actually came in a set of a 5 or 6 piece set I got from over the holidays from QVC. And it came with this two-sided brush. So the smaller side is for the concealer, so I just dab it in there and pat it along my dark circles and a little up into the dark corner and on the eyelid. And it's a really nice, very, as I said, very hydrating formula, and it's very blendable. The coverage isn't the best. Like, I prefer the Tarte Shape Tape, and I usually also do some under eye color correction, but today is a quick get ready and go, and I find that it does a good enough job on its own when we're in a hurry. And then I always have redness right here between my eyes, so I take whatever I have left and I just kind of pop it up there as well. And just kind of dab it around anywhere else where I have a little bit of redness. Alright, and I think I maybe just will take a little bit more and go over those eye creases a little bit more. And now I'm kind of spreading it down just a little bit. Alright, I love how easy it goes on, and it's very nice. Alright, next I have again from the same kit, the IT Celebration Foundation. It's full coverage anti-aging hydrating powder foundation. That's what they say. And I got the shade medium, which is what they say is their most popular shade when you're not sure how light to go, and it's worked out nicely. And so you just swirl the brush around, and I kind of like to start by using a little bit to set that concealer before it gets too dry. And then I just quickly work my way around my face. It's very nice and light on the skin, which is great, because I haven't had good luck with other powder foundations. I find it makes my skin feel kind of itchy and cakey sometimes, but this is a nice formula. I've really been impressed with their products. This is the first time I've tried some stuff from IT Cosmetics, and everything that came in the kit that I got for Christmas was nice. Alright, So today, again, like I said, we're going for a very natural, light makeup, no makeup sort of look. So that may be about all she wrote for foundation. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing, contouring with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. It's a great formula. It doesn't have a lot of shimmer to it. It's just a nice sort of sunny brown. And I have this angled brush. And this, I don't always bring it up here, but just a little bit to balance things out. Alright. And I'm going to take this brush again and just kind of blend it. Alright, so it's just a subtle bronzing effect there. And then we're going to use a real nice hot pink blush from Wet n Wild. It's the Color Icon blusher. This is very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way, so I just gently tap it and then tap off any excess, and then I just do a little swirl above that kind of bronzing contour line, and a little on the nose, which is my personal preference. And that's just a nice little flush to the cheeks. All right. So we're just about done here. For eyeshadow, I have green hazel eyes. So my favorite eyeshadow that I think really makes my eyes pop is anything in the purple, lavender, lilac family. So today I have a little mini palette from Revlon Photo Ready in 503 or Muse, and so it has like a light lilac, some darker purples, and then actually like an aqua and a teal, which I'm not going to mess with the blue colors today. I'm just going to use some of the purples. So first I'm going to start with the light lilac shade on the top, and I'm going to apply it all over the lid. I think that's such a pretty color. For my wedding, I actually had like purple lavender eye makeup, and I just loved it. All right, that looks good. And then I'm going to take a smaller sort of angled brush and pick up a little bit of I think I'm going to mix the two darker shades, and starting on the outside, just work some into the crease and the outer corner. Same thing on the other side. Ooh. Somehow that came out a lot stronger. Let's go back over here. I wear contacts, so sometimes when I push on my eyelid, my contact wiggles around. Sorry if that's grossing anyone out. Alright, I'm going to go back to the first bigger brush and just blend out so we don't have any rough edges there. Okay. And then for mascara, I'm doing a very light look today. It's this CoverGirl Exact Eye Lights product. It's like hardly even detectable, but it just helps sort of find the lashes just a bit and brighten up the eyes. So first I'm going to go in with the eyelash curler. Alright, let me do that again. Just a little bit. And the other side. Alright, and then a little bit of the CoverGirl Exact Highlights. See, from one eye to the next, just kind of lifts it in and makes it a little bit more than not wearing anything. But it's very nice and light on the eyelashes, and I think I've said before, I tend to have watery eyes and I rub my eyes a lot, so it's nice to really not have to worry about getting mascara all over the place or having my eyes water and screwing up all my makeup. Alright, and then again, going back to the IT set that I have, this is their Je ne sais quoi lip treatment and gloss. They say it's supposed to change colors for each different person. For me, it pretty much just looks clear, I think. But when you first twist it, it looks like it's going to be white or clear, and then sometimes you'll start to see it actually turn like a pink hue. So I'm not really sure if it's, you know, based on temperature or chemicals or what, but it's supposed to be very good for your lips and it feels really nice. And it has a subtle scent to it, like just sort of like a fresh, clean scent. And they suggest that you put that on like right on top of your bare lips so that you get the benefit of all the skin loving ingredients and the whatever treatment is in there. Alright, and then sticking with, again, light and quick and glossy, today I'm going to be applying on top of that a Milani Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss in Ravish Raspberry. It's this nice pink, pretty like fuchsia pink. So there we go. There we are. So yeah, it's nice, it's not sticky, it's odorless, and it just gives some color, not too dark, not too light. It doesn't have great lasting power, but it's comfortable to wear and easy to reapply. So that's the whole look for today. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. As you know, I'm new to YouTube and I am really looking for any feedback. And please subscribe. I'll be trying to get better at this and post some more videos soon. Thanks so much. Bye.